This video is really gonna suck. Hi, I'm Ron of Ron's Trains and Things, and I don't usually do straight up product videos, but I got this little pocket vac for Christmas this year, and as a model railroader, I absolutely love this thing. It's perfect for cleaning dust and debris off of the tracks and the scenery of my model railroad layout. It's just powerful enough to pick up the dust and debris, but not so powerful as to loosen detail items and figures unnecessarily. And I wanted to share it with you today because I think a lot of you would appreciate the function of a little vacuum like this. Now, this little vacuum, first of all, it is cordless and it is rechargeable. You can plug it in with a USB-C cord right here into the vacuum itself, or it comes with this docking station. You can plug it to the docking station and charge it that way. And of course, the docking station also holds all of the little accessories. It's got a crevice tool, it's got a little brush tool that's really handy, and of course this kind of a little upholstery tool as well. This other tool attachment I'll tell you about in just a moment, but the vacuum itself is so handy because it certainly has a small canister, but the beauty of that is the filter is right there. And if I do happen to suck up a detail part or a figure, all I get to do is pull the canister off, pull out the filter, and I can retrieve my item. Also, obviously, this is how we dump it into the trash and clean it out as well. Now, while I've got it apart, the filter is reusable, it is washable, and it also comes with an extra filter, so you've got enough right in the box to be able to last you a good while. To start it, little button right here, you push it and hold it for 2 seconds. It comes on, and then push it one more time and it goes off. One other thing that is handy, if you take the canister off, I told you I'd show you this other tool. This little tool actually goes on to the back, and the little vacuum becomes a blower, which can be really handy for blowing dust out of your computer, off of your keyboard. I've used that some as well here in the first month or so that I've had this little vacuum. I just keep it plugged into the docking station near my layout. I've used it on my car to get into the air vents or around the console area, places that are hard to get. Now, fully charged, the battery will last about 20 minutes, so it's not something you're going to use all day. Again, I bought mine for my train layout and I absolutely love it. I just wanted to share it with you because I know a lot of you, this would be really handy for your layout, and I'm going to post an affiliate link to this vac on Amazon at the top of the description down below if you'd like to check one out. And with that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. 10, Lizzie?